staff. I would like to express my sincere gratitude toward respected teachers, sir, all teachers and my parents for their continuous guidance, support and encouragement throughout my school life. In class 11, I opted science stream because I want to build my future in this field. The main reason I joined this school was its experienced teacher, sports facilities and the overall support provided by the teachers to the students. I feel proud to be the part of this institution. Thank you.
My name is Shivani Rawat and I have currently passed class 10th with 92.2%. Now I am recently pursuing my journey with PC Science stream, and I would like to thank my parents, teacher who always supports me and motivated me. My school not only provided me quality education but also tells me the importance of discipline and hard work. Passion to achieve good marks and my determination to keep improving helped me and motivated me throughout the journey. I believe if we do hard work and stay focused, we can do everything is possible in our life. I would like to thank to my parents and teacher for always being with me and support me. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Vaishnavi and I'm a student of class 11. I joined the school in the year 2024 and it was a great experience for me. Completed my class 10 from CBSE board with a percent of 91.8%. I would like to express my sincere gratitude to our respected principals and teachers for supporting me and guided me throughout my journey.
Hello everyone, myself Aishana. I recently passed my class 10 board examination with 90.8%. I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to our respected principal sir, teachers, my parents and my friends who always guide me and motivates me. In class 11, I choose science stream because I have a keen interest in physics, mathematics and chemistry, and I have to build a strong career option. Before I conclude, I would like to share a small message with everyone that success doesn't come from luck. It comes from hard work, determination and discipline. Let us respect our elders, teachers and support one another. It is an opportunity to grow. So believe in yourself, stay positive and keep working towards your future. Thank you.
My name is Priya Adela and I scored 97% in my board examination 2026. I would like to express my gratitude towards my parents, teachers and school and also my principal who provides a positive environment for a belongs to everyone who supported and believed in me. Firstly, I would thank my parents who supported in my hard time and in my whole journey and their sacrifices, whatever they could. Secondly, I would thanks to my school staff and principal sir who provided me a positive environment and continuous guidance in my whole journey.
Hello everyone, my name is Sandesh and I am student of Sri Guru Ram Rai Public School, Balawala, Dehradun. I recently passed my class 10 board examinations with 90.5% marks. And I am very hardworking, disciplined and positive person who enjoys learning new things. My hobbies are reading books and using technologies. I want to build a successful career and make my parents and teachers proud. That's all about it. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, I am Anushka Badoni of SGRI Public School, Balawala, Dehradun and I am delighted to share that I have scored 95.2% in my 10th board examination, and this achievement was result of my consistent hard work, my unwavering support of my parents, guidance of my teachers and the encouraging environment provided by my school. I have chosen science stream in my 11th standard with the subject combination of PCM with computer science and drawing as my extra subject, as it aligns with my interests and it provides strong foundation for my future academic and career aspirations. I choose to continue my journey at this school because of its excellence, academic environment, dedicated teachers and the numerous opportunity it provides to students for their growth both academically and mentally. I sincerely thank my teachers, school and my parents for their constant support and believing me. Thank you.
I want to congratulate all the board exam toppers who shown that dreams become reality when supported by dedication, consistency and resilience. Every challenge they face become an opportunity to learn and improve. Let their journey inspire every student to believe in their abilities. Thank you.
Heartiest congratulations on your outstanding performance in the CBSE Class 10 Board Examination. Your dedication, hard work, perseverance and discipline have truly paid off. This remarkable achievement is a result of your sincere efforts and determination. As your science teacher, I am immensely proud of your success. May this achievement inspire you to aim even higher and continue your journey with confidence, curiosity and passion of learning. Wishing you a bright future filled with the new opportunities, greater accomplishments and continuous success. Keep learning, keep exploring and keep shining. All the best. Thank you.
गुरुराम राय पब्लिक स्कूल बालावाला के सर्वोच्च अंक प्राप्त करने वाले समस्त विद्यार्थियों को हार्दिक विद्यार्थियों, आपकी सफलता केवल आपके अंकों की नहीं बल्कि आपके निरंतर परिश्रम, आत्मविश्वास और दृढ़ संकल्प की पहचान है। आपने यह सिद्ध कर दिया कि नियमित अध्ययन और सही दिशा में प्रयास से हर लक्ष्य को प्राप्त किया जा सकता है। आपकी यह उपलब्धि आपके विद्यालय, आपके माता पिता और आपके शिक्षकों के लिए गर्व का विषय है। हमें विश्वास है कि आप भविष्य में भी इसी प्रकार नई ऊंचाई को प्राप्त करेंगे और दूसरों के लिए प्रेरणा का स्रोत हैं। प्रिय विद्यार्थियों, मैं आप सबसे यही कहना चाहती हूँ कि इन विद्यार्थियों से प्रेरणा लें, क्योंकि सफलता का कोई शॉर्टकट नहीं होता। मेहनत, अनुशासन और निरंतर प्रयास की सफलता की
It's the best thing to know when there's a smile on your parents' face because I would like to congratulate all the toppers of our school of this year. Success is a combination of hard work, dedication and commitment. But on the other hand, parent support and teachers' guidance cannot be neglected. I'm thankful for your parents for their unwavering support and guidance of our supportive teacher in this journey. I wish you best of luck for future again and keep shining like this. Thanks.
Congratulations to all my class 10th and 12th board students on successfully passing your examination. A special congratulations to those who scored excellent marks and made the SGRR mission proud. To my current board students, mathematics is all about practice. The more you practice, the more confident you become. Stay focused, revise regularly, solve questions daily and never hesitate to ask your doubt to your teachers. Remember that hard work, consistency and discipline are the keys to success. Believe in yourself, give your best. Thank you and good luck.
As a teacher, it is immensely satisfying to see our students excel. Their success is the outcome of disciplined study habits, regular revision, curiosity and the guidance of parents and teachers. These results remind us that there is no substitute for sincere efforts. Congratulations to all our achievers and may they continue to inspire others.